Hi, everybody. Welcome to Miss S's follow-up for my discussion post this week. Just to hit on a little bit of history, Miss S is a 29-year-old student referred to by her primary care manager. Reported anxiety and depression in high school, but increased in the last year. So that's kind of what we're taking a look at. Coping with a platoon mate's suicide. And for a little bit of context, she overheard the gunshot and later discovered it was her platoon mate. So that's a lot to deal with there. As of her assessment results, her cognitive ability remained in a normal range. Achievement was a no for math computation, but expected learning range for all other topics. Information processing was slightly lower than average. Okay. Diagnosis was anxiety and depression, essentially. Recommendations was individual therapy. Coordinate extra time to study and practice instead of the alternative, right, which is not to be prepared. Use a calculator as long as you understand that it's for your diagnosis. I say that because a lot of people don't advocate on their own behalf. So you would need to speak up and advocate for yourself for these things, along with extra rest breaks during a long standardized test. Absolutely, all things considered. You just have to advocate for them. And so that is the overall quick assessment of my client, Miss S. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, I look forward to hearing about them. Thank you.